this thing, drycough for 24 years.
24 years?
24 years. So I was even begging her, buy this. She said she cannot spend her money. I said, yeah, take it free. Go and take it.
Take it free?
Yes, I gave it to her.
That's the investment though.
Yes. Yeah. When she drank it, the next day, the next morning, she just ran. He said, you know, I slept today very, very well. Hi! You are God sent to. It was just, she was just begging me, just
praying
crying,
for you.
Praying for me. I said, don't worry. You will see how your body will be. So, as from that moment, the woman drank that one for that week. The next week, she came and bought. She bought, and the cough went. So,
cough for 24 years.
So many people are registering. Then we plan a system. All of them, we so white and white. All the whole men and the women is white. And then we print this thing, multistream there. So we use it on parades. So whenever they see me, they call me doctor.
Yes, so
everywhere say, oh my God, they say, oh, you are doctor. Even when they get me one at the church, they call me, say, doctor, come out. Come out and take your honor.